Today we are at the Best Bagger Contest, which is one of the fiercest competitions at the Iowa State Fair. And this year we decided to make it a little more fun by adding a little contest on the side of our own. What we are going to be doing today is our own little Best Bagger competition. You will be competing, you will be judging as he goes. How are you feeling about attempting to bag some groceries?
Attempting, kind of nervous and haven't done this before.
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, starting off good.
Is that what you would start with, is the boxes first?
Yeah,
okay.
You want to have like the boxes in the side so it like helps stabilize the bag.
Go.
Alrighty. Slowly putting the eggs in there. We got some taco shells.
What do you
Keeping
think
the
so
dry
far?
foods together. Okay. Got tomatoes in there. That's good. Keeping the food groups together.
He has to figure out the eggs.
Where would you put the eggs?
You want to have the eggs at the top so then they don't get squished.
Okay.
You want to break them?
There you go.
Smart,
Perfect. Smart move.
Smart.
Alrighty.
There we go.
Alrighty.
How did he do?
I think he did pretty good. This one's a little more heavier, so you'd kind of have to hold it at the bottom. But I think overall he did pretty good.
Take a look in the bags. How did she do?
Alrighty. She got all the boxes organized in one bag. They're all dry foods, no cold.
Perfect.
And then you got the eggs there separate. Perfect.
Good job.
Good job.
38th Annual Iowa Best Bagger Competition. Baggers from the marks, get set.
They are judged on speed, weight distribution, proper bag technique, so making sure that their bread isn't on bottom, and then of course style, attitude. It's a really competitive competition, so all categories really matter.
And what's your strategy?
Go fast.
Go fast?
Yep. The top point time is 53 seconds, so going for that.
And how did you get to here today?
We had a day in Johnston where we competed with like 20 to 27 top 7 got to come to the state fair.
What is one item that you think might give you difficulty?
Good question. Trying to get things evenly weighted is tough, so if you got like several heavy things, you're like, okay, do I divide them evenly? Do I put them in one bag with the lighter things?
And have you been practicing?
I had last practice on Tuesday. I did really good. And I had 2 of my bags weigh even. I think I got it.
You think you got it? So you
Yes.
think you can win today?
Hopefully, yes.
So the first place winner wins $500 and a trip to Las Vegas, again to represent our state at the national competition in January. So we have had 7 national champions here from the state of Iowa. We have a really proud, great tradition here of great baggers.
Our first place winner and the 2025 Iowa Best Bagger is Brady Derricks with Marion, Maryland.